This boat's equipped with two Dometic air conditioning systems. There is a breaker on the panel for each of those, and also a breaker for the AC pump. It's important to turn on the AC pump before turning on either of the two systems. This supplies the air conditioning system with cooling water. Once the AC pump is turned on, you'll turn on the cabin and the cockpit air conditioner breakers. Once the AC pump is turned on, that will supply cooling water to the two air conditioning systems. This cooling water passes through a seacock that's underneath the shower sump pan. You'll lift the shower grate out, and then you'll pick up the fiberglass pan, look back to the starboard side, and you'll see the seacock for the air conditioning. That runs forward to a raw water strainer that feeds the units. Please make sure that the valve is open and that the seawater raw water strainer is clear. It has a plastic bowl on it, a clear bowl, and you can see into it to see if there's any seaweed or debris. Once you've determined that you have clear raw water to the air conditioning units, you can turn on the panels that are located just inside the doorway on the starboard side of the console. There's a round button on the right-hand side of it that allows you to turn the unit on. Once you've done that, you can select the temperature that you'd like to achieve by pressing down on the arrows. And the air conditioner will do its thing now. The cockpit air conditioning system on this boat is another 18,000 BTU Dometic unit. The same goes for the cabin air conditioning, so we have a total of 36,000 BTUs on this boat. There are 4 vents on the face of the console. They're directional. You can turn them on and off and also direct the flow of air to whichever position you'd like to have them. The cockpit air conditioning control is just inside the cabin above the steps. Keep in mind that the outdoor air conditioning isn't going to take it down to as cold as it might be in the cabin, but it does cool it off a little bit and make it a little more pleasant. I've outlined just the basics of this air conditioning system. I'll suggest that you go to your Dometic information in your owner's packet and review that carefully so that you understand the system as well as possible.